Hey, welcome back to Gaijin TV. We're back down in the park to look at the ongoing construction of the public bathroom. Why, Mikey, are you going so hard on this construction site? Well, it's not just about the construction. On Gaijin TV, we look at the standards, and the standards for construction are higher here. The standards for service are higher here. For manners, higher here. When I was in high school looking at a Honda Civic, and on the door panel, my brother pointed it out. Look, Michael, this one's in English, this one's in Japanese. You want the Japanese katakana, hiragana? I'm like, why is that? He goes, because the variance standards are tighter when the car is manufactured in Japan. Anecdotal? Maybe, but shit works. All right, tons of cool stuff on this episode. Check this out. Nabe night, and my wife is a nabe monster. Look at that homemade gyoza, two kind noodle. Got ramen and it got udon. See the blackened mochi, toge, koge. Oh, love it. Itadakimasu. This may be a little blurry because we're inside the locker at my onsen. Can't really shoot down here, but that's what that looks like. And here's the toilet. It's disgusting. What you would call disgusting. It's a cold breeze too. Like I said, you don't want to be caught filming down here. It's definitely no. Damedesu! But I thought you might enjoy having a look at. I can't show you outside there. There's naked Japanese beef. I have no pants on. You've caught me with my pants down. Congratulations. There's the Shukugawa Hankyu train pulling out. Such a beautiful train. Angora rabbit fur seats. There's the bathroom reno over there. A climbing structure reno over there. The tetsubo, which are everywhere. And the old seesaw. It's been taken out. Did this on a previous app, but it was a generation of Japanese bums that got raised on that seesaw. My wife broke her hand playing omochi. You lift the seesaw and it comes down, just like when they're doing omochi. The helper spreads a little water. Don't get your hand stuck in there like Haruko did. Let's go see that climbing structure. Such a beautiful park and so well maintained. Swings and slides for kiddies, back stretch, sit up place. Check your flexibility over here. Stretch your back out on that thing. The moms meet there's a private school kids here on about the 2 o'clock train. We got January 30th. Still quite nice. Bit of a cold snap. Monkey bars. Chin-up bars. One guy I met, 55 years old, and he's doing grand loops on them. This is the other climbing structure I was talking about. Those look like newbies. So, oh no, yeah. There was. Actually, we'll just have to wait and see. Ripped up the old green carpet area. The maintenance on this with what I call tampopo, or learning challenge people. Better they're in the park sweeping up, raking, carrying bags of leaves than, as I say, in a church basement playing animal bingo. They got an elephant stuck on that elephant. You never hear retards trash talking. Here's a little word about wabi-sabi. Wabi-sabi is an incredibly complex concept. It's Japanese, old but more beautiful because of its age and worn outness, if that's a word. A few years ago they replaced these boards and they lined up so nicely. Each different bench, they're lined up like laser, because whoever set the holes when the first boards were installed did it with a little care and consideration for the next guy and the people are going to be sitting on it. pride of workmanship. Now here's some real wabi-sabi, baby. Some things you can't help. That thing just sunk. But that is old as the hills. And isn't it gorgeous? It's sad, but it's bittersweet because it served well, and thank you for your service. The old bench, look at that. Wabi-sabi 101. Go itashimashite.
Hello, I'm a retarded person. Just so we're clear.
This is a traditional Japanese outbuilding called a koya. Your seasonal items will go in there when needed. But that's not why we're here today. Look at this beauty. Classical Japanese, dash of modern. Look at the wood. You could just drink that in. Lovely garden area. The reason I stopped was because I saw the Oji-san doing the cement. Like, isn't that beautiful? I'd be jealous, but I'm too happy for the guy or the family. And yeah, who does cement better? Our Japanese. Mixy, brushy. Look at the line he's got on this. Gorgeous. Even the Italians are like, Mamma mia, that's a good cement. Otsukare-sama, beautiful work. We keep the danjiri up at the Shinto shrine in one of these. It's smaller, but you've probably seen it on Gaijin TV. And the reason this house is so nice and this area is so nice, this is Mr. Matsushita of Panasonic and national fame, a family compound. Yeah, it's going to be nice. Okay, here's our weekly Sazai Sunday Theater, and here's the Junken part of the game. Ready? Oh, he totally got her again! Woohoo! Pa, baby! Pa!
Everything is better in Japan. Japan win World Pastry Cup. Fuck you, France. Suck it, Germany and Italy.